Hi, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Bitesight mobile app works. Bitesight is a food delivery mobile app designed to make ordering from local restaurants easy and efficient. The app allows users to browse nearby restaurants, customize their orders, track deliveries in real time, and securely complete payments. It's built for convenience, offering a straightforward way to access meals whether at home, at work, or on the go. The app features an intuitive menu search, live order tracking, saved favorite restaurants, in-app promotions, and various payment methods including cards and digital wallets. Users can also leave reviews for restaurants after delivery, helping others choose based on real experiences. Its streamlined interface makes navigating through options fast and simple, and push notifications keep users updated on their orders. Pros of the Bitesight app include a clean user interface, reliable tracking, a wide restaurant selection, and responsive customer support. It also supports multiple payment methods and offers regular discounts. However, some users have reported occasional delays during peak hours and limited service areas in less populated regions. Real user feedback shows that many appreciate the ease of use and fast delivery, especially during weekdays. One user mentioned that the app helped them discover new local restaurants they wouldn't have tried otherwise. Another noted that while most deliveries arrived on time, some delays occurred on weekends. Several users also praised the customer service for resolving order issues quickly. In conclusion, Bitesight is a solid choice for anyone seeking a dependable and easy-to-use food delivery app. With user-friendly features and a growing list of restaurant partners, it helps simplify the meal ordering process for busy lifestyles. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.